God have mercy upon us.
Mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode. You are recording multiple video here, but in one clip. Look at what I just did. Jump in. After some few seconds, you clap your hand. Then you walk out and record this empty background for some few seconds again. Then you walk in for the second time. You can jump in for the second time. Look at you there. Then you do your style you want. Jump down. Then you walk out. As you walk out again, you record an empty background for some few seconds again. Then you walk in with another style. Look at what I am doing. Then you do your style again. After that, you can record an empty background for a few seconds again. Then you walk in another one. This is how you are going to do it to the number of clips you want, alright? After recording your style, you record an empty background for few seconds. What we want to achieve is multiple disappearance, alright? You know how many times you want to appear, alright? So you record how many times you want to appear. After that, you can now walk out, alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import your video to workspace, guys. Click on your video and go and locate volume. Click on volume now. Reduce it to 0. Mark on this good and go back. We locate where we want the video to start from. Before we jump in, we are going to be clicking on the video now. You click on the video and make a split. You delete this first part. We don't need it again. Yes. So as you jump in now, immediately you clap your hand. Come back. As you clap your hand, click on the video again and make a split, alright? Then you go. As you walk out, you make another split here. Delete this center part, alright? Look at the result. Good. So you allow the video to play for some time. Click here now and make another split, okay? Then you go. Adjust. Immediately you jump in for the second time. You make another split there, okay? Make another split. Delete this center part. Good. Look at it. Good. So as you jump down, we are going to be making another split. Immediately you jump down, click on the video and make another split, okay? Then you go. As you walk out, make another split, guys. Delete this center part. We don't need it again. Look at the result. Good. So now you allow the video to play for some time. Click here now and make another split. Then you start adjusting. Immediately you jump in, make another split. Delete that center part, alright? So look at the result here. Good. Then immediately you bend down on salutation. You are going to be making another split. Click and make another split here. Then immediately you walk out, you make another split there, guys. Delete this part. We don't need it again. So look at it. That is the result. Allow the video to play for some time. Click it here now and make another split, guys. So make another split. Immediately you jump in again. Look at it. You make another split there. Delete this center part. We don't need it again. As you jump up, you are going to be jumping up. Immediately you jump up and land. Good. Make another split. Click on it and make another split, guys. Make another split. Then as you walk out, you are going to be making another split. Delete this center part. We don't need it again. Look at the result. Good. So allow the video to play again for some time. You click on the video again and make another split. click on it, make another split, then you go. Look at, as you bend down, you make another split, all right? Click here, delete. Then as you throw up the stone, as the stone is landing, you do as if, do your necessary adjustment. Then you are going to be clicking on the video. After adjustment, click here now and make a split, guys. Click here, make a split, all right? Make a split there. Then you adjust. As you work out, you make another split. Delete this one. So at this point, look at the result. Good. Let's play this video from the beginning and see what we have got. As we are playing it, take time. If there are errors, then you correct your errors, all right? So I'm going to be playing it now. I am going to be making my correction here because this very place is too long, all right? So I will be marking it to make a split. I will not leave it like that. So the same way, click and make a split and delete the other part. The same way as you are watching it, come down to identify your errors and correct your errors, all right? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, all right? So as you are playing this video, it will take time to do your necessary adjustment. But as for me, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add our sound effect and our light effect, and as the case may be, other effects. After that, we can now export this video to our gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered, all right? My number is at the description of this video. Go and DM me. Then I'll put you through, all right, on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export this your video to your gallery and share it to your social media handles. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is to export this video to our gallery. So you click on export and export this your video to your gallery. It's exporting, just a size patient, all right? Now this video I've installed in our gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop an amazing tutorial. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.